What if the only thing standing between you and early retirement isn't a lack of money, but a lack of permission? Right now, there's a version of your life where your mornings belong to you, not to a manager, not to an inbox, and not to a commute. But every day that you stay for that one more year is a day of your health and your freedom that you are giving away for free. You can always make more money, but you can never, ever buy back your time. In today's video, I'm giving you the 7 signs that prove that you might already be financially independent and ready to walk away. Now, I want to show you the exact signals that mean that your retirement strategy is safe, that your math is solid, and that your life is waiting for you to step into it. Now let's find out if you're already free. Well, like most people, we spent our lives focusing on the traditional path. We have the 401k, the Roth, and the idea of retiring at age 67. But as we've gotten older, there's been a switch. We don't want to wait until 67 to travel and live life on our own terms. So that leaves us with the question, how do we make this happen? And when will we know it's the right time? Part of our vision for early retirement was spending a few months a year while traveling. So we knew we had to stress test this immediately. As soon as we retired, we left for a 3-month Caribbean trip. Now, this wasn't just a vacation. We lived our retirement strategy in real time across 100 days. We handled the market swings. We managed the healthcare system while away. And we realized that the bridge account strategy that we built was even more powerful than we imagined. Now, I'm sharing these signs today because I don't want you to wait until you're in your 60s to realize you could have been free years ago. Now, let's get into those signs. Sign 1 is you have a bridge account. You are ready when you have funded the gap years. And that bridge account is simply a taxable brokerage account that provides the cash that you need to live on before you can access your 401k or your IRA at 59 and a half. For us, we built a bridge account of $400,000. Now, our plan is to use this to cover the next 10 years at roughly $40,000 a year. Now, this specific amount covers our living costs and also allows for the travel that we love while our retirement accounts stay untouched and growing. To figure out your number, you need to look at the years remaining until you turn 60. Multiply that by your annual spending. And if that number is sitting in your brokerage account, you've officially bypassed the government's timeline. Sign 2 is that you have moved from healthcare fear to healthcare facts. Now, you're ready when you stop fearing the insurance gap and you start looking at how to manage your modified adjusted gross income. Now, this is the magic number that the government used to decide your healthcare subsidy. To qualify for lower premiums, you need to keep your taxable income within a specific range. Now, you manage this by strategically choosing where your money comes from. For example, spending cash or selling long-term stocks where only the gain is taxable keeps your modified adjusted gross income much lower than pulling from a traditional IRA. Now, by managing our income this way, we pay $366 a month for both of us through the ACA, which is way less than what we paid through an employer. Now, it's important to remember that the ACA isn't the only option. There are other health shares and private plans, so be sure to look into those to see what works best for you. Once you realize that your withdrawal strategy directly controls your insurance costs, the fear of expensive healthcare turns into a manageable math problem. Sign 3 is that you have solved the sequence of return risk. You are ready when you have 24 to 30-month cash reserve in a safe assets like SGOV. Now, for us, knowing our living expenses were tucked away in a safe bucket, that allowed us to enjoy our travels even when the stock market was falling. Now, if the market drops 20% tomorrow, you don't have to sell your growth shares at a loss to buy your groceries. You have over 2 years of safety to let the market recover. Sign 4 is that you have mastered your cash flow and your spending. You are ready when your budget is a proven fact, not just a projection. For us, this was a really good experiment. During the whole year of 2025, we lived off our retirement number to make sure that we can comfortably live on that. Now, the extra bonus is that we ended up saving 60% of our take-home monthly pay, which we put straight into our bridge account. Then for the first 3 months of 2026, we set a budget to cover 3 months of travel, plus our home expenses, to test it, since travel is such a big part of our plan. Now, when you successfully live on your freedom number for a year or 6 months while still working, you prove to yourself that your math works in the real world. Sign 5 is that your mandatory expenses are minimal. Flexibility is your ultimate insurance. When you don't owe anyone, your freedom number drops. Now for us, we were able to keep our monthly costs low since we don't have a mortgage or a car payment or any other type of debt. This still leaves us with fun money for travel, experiences, and any home or car maintenance that might pop up. So if you eliminate your debt before retiring, you gain the ability to scale your spending down during a bad market year without changing your standard of living. Sign 6 is that you have a post-retirement purpose. You are ready when you are retiring to a mission. Without a project, you'll be searching for purpose within 90 days. Now for us, it's making YouTube videos, travel and cycling, and living a healthy lifestyle. This looks different for everyone. Some might start working a part-time job doing something that they love, being a full-time grandparent, or learning to play the guitar, because you didn't have time to do that while you were working. And sign 7, you value time asset management over net worth. This is the final sign. You realize that your time is a depreciating asset. Now you can always grow a brokerage account, but you cannot grow your youth. It's about having time to do the things that you never had time for. Now for us, it's about slow mornings, or traveling more often, or riding our bike whenever we want. Now when the peace of a slower morning outweighs the stress of a high salary afternoon, you are officially ready. Stepping into this new chapter is one of the most rewarding things that you will ever do for yourself and your family. Now, it can feel scary at first. We even questioned if we were doing the right thing for months. But now that we're here, we are so happy that we didn't wait just another year. And I'm here to help you find your unique path to early retirement and gain the confidence to take that first step. If you want to learn more, check out this video next. And let me know in the comments, where are you right now? And how close are you to letting go of what's keeping you from living your best life? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.